Ripple has marked some significant steps after partnering up with a slice of 1.8 billion yearly remittances from Japan to the Philippines, says CoinDesk. Since the past week, the token is on the run and showing great entry points. If you are an XRP holder or planning to invest in XRP, make sure to watch till the end to find out how to double the money. Today's video will be about Ripple's work and strategic plans on Japan and Philippine corridors. We will also give a little brief covering the upcoming lawsuit developments and ending this video with the token's vibrant price prediction. If you are new to the channel, we would really appreciate it if you can take a moment and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments your interest so that we can pull in our efforts to make it right for you. And make sure to enable all your notifications to our channel to keep up with all the hottest secrets in the world of XRP.
Come on, let's go.
Before we get into the video, please be mindful that the crypto market is highly volatile and is frequently changing. So, the prices listed in the video might have changed to a whole different range if you are watching it now. In addition to this, the information shared in this video does not in any manner intend to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. The content in this video is created in a manner to suffice the purpose of being informative and educational. You are requested to conduct your own due research or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. All right, with that being said, let's get into it. XRP is on the rise. On 30th July, we had seen a change of percent in 24 hours, standing at an approximate 10%, which is the highest since the month of May. On the current stand, the token is rising, and it is expected to rise even more, considering the token surpassed several resistance blocks. With the latest buying pool on the token, there is a high possibility that it would rise straight towards its next target resistance at $0.90. We know it's high, but it's not something that is unachievable. This target was the highest since 14th June 2021, and from that point, the token has kept falling. Therefore, if XRP can make it up to that point, it will undoubtedly invalidate all of its bearish factors. The current rise was initiated after the fintech company directed its view to tap an approximate $2 billion a year remittance market between the two major markets, Japan and the Philippines, via the use of its on-demand liquidity services, abbreviated as ODL services. Ripple has been staying in the limelight of the crypto press for being involved in a lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission since December 2020. Because of the suit, its native cryptocurrency, XRP, was delisted from almost all trading platforms and has not made any significant gains. Considering its past performances, the latest increase is excellent hope for the community, and that explains how important the current collaboration of the company is. Ripple is collaborating with the remnants SBI Remits and Coins.ph in view of introducing an on-demand liquidity service in Japan. SBI Remit is a large client that works as a money transfer provider, and Coins.ph is a considerable crypto exchange in the Philippines. On 28 July 2021, Ripple Labs announced that it would be launching the first live on-demand liquidity service of the RippleNet in Japan. The announcement details were, this expanded partnership will see SBI Remit connect with Coin.ph and digital asset exchange platform SBI VC Trade RippleNet for faster and more affordable cross-border payments from Japan to the Philippines.
I gotta say, I'm incredibly excited to be a part of your firm.
SBI Holdings is a huge investor and shareholder of Ripple. The company independently announced that they, along with crypto exchange SBI VC Trade, have launched Japan's first international remittance service using XRP in partnership with Ripple's Labs. The Japanese company also explained the process on how the workflow works. Starting from a remittance request that is initiated with the SBI Remit, the data of which is sent via XRP by SBI Trade in real time to Coins.ph, which then converts the cryptocurrency to the Philippine peso to pay the remittance recipient. This is huge news for XRP because XRP is now officially associated with something that the company has been claiming to replace in the financial world. SBI Fintech Solutions is one of the largest money transfer companies in Japan, which has had a reliance on RippleNet since 2017. Coins.ph a product of Bitter Inc., is a crypto exchange and a leading mobile wallet service in the country, which is regulated by its central bank, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas (BSP). Both of these clients are heavy assets to Ripple, as they have become a key entry point for the fintech company to target the vast Japanese and Philippine markets. On this news alone, XRP's price witnessed a jump of 16% on 28th July, which is massive considering the lawsuit acting up as a lagging factor for the token's price. It is ironic to see Ripple flourishing even better, despite SEC's utmost efforts to drag the lawsuit. In the partnership, the fintech company detailed, this is Ripple's first on-demand liquidity service implementation in Japan, setting the stage to drive more adoption of the crypto-enabled services in the region. By leveraging the digital asset XRP to eliminate pre-funding, the two companies can also free up capital and accelerate the expansion of their own payments businesses.
Anyway, this is business.
The company also added that the Filipino diaspora is the third largest in Japan, and till now, there is nothing in the market that enhances remittance flows from Japan to the Philippines. Note that the previous remittance flows by overseas Filipino workers in 2020 totaled approximately $1.8 billion. With XRP, the process will become more advanced and could generate higher revenues, considering that Japan has one of the highest cross-border payment fees in the world. Most importantly, this is not the end. Nobuo Ando, representative director of SBI Remit, expressed his views that the launch of the on-demand liquidity in Japan is something they have just started with, and they are looking forward to pushing this concept into the next frontier of financial innovation beyond the real-time payments in just the Philippines, but please pay attention here to the other parts of the region as well. The director of SBI Remit intends to take Ripple's on-demand liquidity out, which will involve higher usage of the token, meaning we are witnessing a colossal catalyst here, which could potentially drive the token's price action to $1. Looking at the lawsuit, the matter still drags on with no clarity of resolution in sight yet. However, something has caught the attention of attorney Jeremy Hogan, a keen XRP versus SEC observer, which he calls a strange thing. So, on the case developments, the deposition of the former director of SEC, William Hinman, was supposed to take place on July 27th. However, Jeremy Hogan suspects that the testimony never took place because if it had taken place, the transcript of the testimony that needs to be filed under the seal for an in-camera review by the judge is nowhere to be found, and with which there should have been a motion to compel Hinman to answer the specific question with regard to the deposition. Hogan also noticed the quick agreement between the SEC and Ripple concerning the deposition, especially when the regulatory body was desperate for the testimony not to go forward. Aligning all of Hogan's suspects, we do get a story forming here, which indicates that there is somehow a pipeline of conversation flow between the SEC and Ripple.
I knew there was something fishy.
This is entirely our assumption, but is something that is not impossible to happen. We might be seeing a potential settlement in the lawsuit, which would be great for both the SEC and Ripple. Till now, the SEC has not submitted the documents, and they have exactly 1 month's time to do so. Till then, we don't see any new situation arising, but anything unprecedented can happen at this point. XRP rallied to a high of 76 cents, stepping on its first significant support at $0.71. It started trading in the day with a down by 0.62% to $0.74. However, it successfully avoided any downfall and surpassed 0.74 pivots, and is on its way to retest its resistance level at $0.7774. Another breakout from this range would validate its path to test the resistance at 80 cents before any pullback. If XRP is not keeping up this stage, it will fall through the 74 cents pivot to its first significant resistance level at 72 cents. With things going favorable with Ripple and XRP, we can expect that the lawsuit might get resolved by the earlier months of 2022. The workings might as well speed up if the parties settle matters all by themselves. Be ready to invest in XRP if you would like to double your returns. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and wish to watch more of such content, Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments what would you like us to focus on next. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications. Keep up with all the hottest secrets in the world of XRP. And we will see you guys in our next one.